In our connected world, social media platforms like Twitter shape our conversations, opinions, and even our worldview. But have you ever wondered if everyone's voice is heard equally in this digital arena? What if societal biases are subtly influencing what we see and share? Studies reveal that information on social media platforms often follows complex patterns. Some voices become viral, while others barely make a ripple.
Hold on. But what exactly are societal biases?
Well, societal biases are the often subconscious prejudices and discriminatory behaviors in human interactions, decision-making, and societal contexts, based on various factors such as gender, ethnicity, age, and historical periods. These biases lead to skewed perceptions and unequal impacts across society.
Oh, I'm starting to understand. But how can we really identify them analyzing Twitter data? Can you explain me?
Sure. Let me just introduce Twitter Cascades. Twitter operates as a directed social network where users can post short messages, also known as tweets. These tweets can be amplified through retweeting, allowing the original tweet to travel through the social network. This process of retweeting creates what we call a cascade, which is essentially a wave of replicated messages moving from one user to another. As we look at the data, we see a clear pattern. The size of these Twitter cascades, when we map them out over time, shows us how they grow quickly at first. A tweet starts to get more and more retweets as more people notice it. But then, after a while, it starts to calm down. People begin to lose interest, and the tweet gets fewer new shares. Eventually, the cascade reaches its final size. Now we can start looking at two things: how fast a tweet initially gets shared and how quickly it starts losing attention. Imagine that we can quantify them and collect these values from various Twitter cascades. By comparing these values across different demographics, such as gender, for example, we can see if certain groups are systematically favored or marginalized in the spread of information. Content analysis then helps us understand which types of tweets gain virality and which do not. By observing temporal patterns, we hope to detect biases related to time. Do tweets sent at certain hours spread more quickly? Analyzing differences across regions helps us identify biases linked to regional preferences. Lastly, we can examine the influence of network dynamics. We'll look at how the presence of influencer accounts might affect the spread of tweets, indicating biases towards certain individuals or the content they share.
Oh my God! That's an excellent idea. Now I understand. Thank you.
No problem, sir. My name is Tomás Silva, and what we have seen is about my master's thesis. A thesis that seeks to uncover how these societal biases manifest in the growth and spread of information cascades, using a methodology that involves a combination of data analysis, statistical modeling, and network simulation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.